We are here to talk about dynamics in workplace. Let's move to the outline. Definition of dynamics in workplace. Types of dynamics in workplace. Factors of dynamics in workplace. Effective management of dynamics in workplace. Dynamics in workplace refers to the various elements that shapes the interaction and relationship among employees, and as well as functioning in an organization. This can include the factors such as communication, leadership, teamwork, culture, and organizational structure. With communication is essential for a healthy workplace. Teamwork, when leaders come together to help employees, they are able to come out successfully and achieve their common goals. Leadership, so strong leadership is crucial for guiding and motivating employees in the workplace.
Diversity in the workplace include communication style and pattern, power struggle and office politics, team collaboration and conflicts, leadership skills, organizational culture and value, diversity, equality and inclusion, changing management styles, work-life balance, feedback and performance, and lastly, emotional intelligence and empathy. This is where individuals express themselves and interact with each other. 2. Power struggle and office politics. This is the authority and influence of members in an organization. 3. Team collaboration and conflicts. This is where workers in an organization work together to avoid conflicts. 4. Relationship style and management. This is a way and manner where the authorities use and influence members by leading them. 4. Organizational culture and value. It's the fundamental aspect of any organization, shaping its identity, influencing behavior, and affecting overall performance of an organization. 5. Diversity, equality, and inclusion. This is where individuals in an organization would see themselves to be equal in an organization. 6. Changing management and adaptability. This is where management of an organization will change the way they manage the organization and adopt new ways in managing the organization. 7. Work-life balance and burnout. This is where individuals in an organization do not mix their individual lives with work life. When they come to work, they should focus on their work. When they go to their homes, they will do what they want. 8. Feedback and performance management. This is where the employees in an organization will bring feedback when they have been given tasks and assignment to do. This will help improve productivity and you know the performance of the organization. 9. Emotional intelligence and empathy. This is where you will learn to manage your emotions. You wouldn't get too angry or sad or even cry in an organization. You must learn how to manage your emotions at the workplace.
Of workplace dynamic, and the first one is building effective team. So this simply means it helps build unity and it helps organizations to achieve their goals in the workplace. And the second one is managing conflict and improving communication. Workplace dynamics help prevent conflict and improve communication in the workplace. And the third one is driving productivity and performance. Effective dynamic at a workplace improve performance and effective communication, and it also increase productivity. So I want to talk about the types of dynamics. The team dynamic talks about the interaction and relationship between teams, and this helps build communication, collaboration, and solve conflict between teams. With the second one, which is the leadership dynamics, and it comes in with the influence and impact the leaders has on the employees in the organization. And the last one is interpersonal dynamics, and this one deals with one-on-one relationship. That one is direct, you and the person that having one-on-one conversation.
I will continue with the types of dynamics in the workplace. Organizational dynamics. Organizational dynamics refers to the study of how individuals and groups interact within an organization and how these interactions affect the organizational performance, culture, and overall effectiveness. And 5. Communication dynamics. Communication dynamics refers to the patterns and processes of interaction between individuals or groups during the exchange of information. These dynamics encompass how messages are sent, received, interpreted, and responded to, as well as the various factors that influence this interaction. So I'll move on to the factors of dynamics in the workplace. Leadership style. 2. Organizational culture. 3. Communication. 4. Team composition. 5. Power structure. 6. Change and uncertainty. And then 7. Technology. Okay, so with the leadership style, it's a critical factor in shaping the dynamics of the workplace. It influences employee behavior, motivation, communication, and overall organizational culture. 2. Organizational culture. Organizational culture plays a pivotal role in shaping workplace dynamics. It encompasses the shaped values, beliefs, norms, and practices that represent an organization. 3. Communication. Communication is a critical factor in shaping workplace dynamics. It influences how employees interact, collaborate, and engage with one another, ultimately affecting productivity, morale, and organizational culture.
So let's talk about effective management of workplace dynamics. And strategies used to create a positive, productive, and harmonious work environment. So some of these effective management are open communication, emotional intelligence, leadership by example, foster collaboration, empower employees, address conflict, promote diversity and inclusion, recognize and reward, foster positive culture, stay adaptable. adaptable. So let's explain some of these effective management. We have open communication. When we talk about open communication, it encourages transparent and respectful communication among employees, management, and departments. And we have emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence encourages self-awareness, empathy, and social skills to manage emotional and relationships effectively. And we have leadership by example. Leadership by example also is where managers and leaders model their behavior and values, which they expect their team members to also follow. And we have team building. So team building fosters a sense of unity and collaboration through team building activities and social events. And the last one I'm going to emphasize on is foster collaboration. Foster collaboration is it encourages teamwork, shared goals, and mutual support. By implementing these strategies, organizations can create a harmonious and productive workplace culture. Workplace dynamics play a cultural role in shaping the work environment, employee behavior, and organizational success. So this is the end of our presentation. Make sure you like, share, and comment.